As hydrogen fuel adoption escalates to larger developed areas, the essential need for hydrogen-enabled fueling stations becomes pivotal to the continued growth of this carbon-free energy alternative. Yet, many stations are feeling pressure to meet fueling time requirements while dispensing accurate hydrogen quantity, ensuring supply chain reliability, and configuring their systems to operate safely and efficiently. Emerson understands the difficulties associated with producing, transporting, and dispensing fuel. That's why we've developed critical fuel dispensing solutions and specific products for hydrogen applications. Our high-pressure hydrogen flow control technology can help you control costs, ensure safety and precision, and efficiently dispense while avoiding harmful leakage. At Emerson, we offer a superior level of hydrogen experience and expertise, along with the familiarity of regulations and certifications used throughout the industry. We can help you design solutions that are scalable, safe, and efficient to meet market demand and ensure future reliability.